let's let's see if we can write a 32-bit printing function. All right. Open it up. VS Code. All right. So this will print what's in EAX. So we define some bytes here. So, oh, well, that's super. Hmm. Hmm. Well, the server is running. Having some network issues here. let's do this again. Okay. So define a format string. We will all right. So let's do some let's write our function here. Oh. Yeah, I can keep talking. Okay. Now, trying to not sure why VS Code is having such a hard time. My server seems to be up. But everything else on the network is working. Oh, come on. Not sure what. Not sure why it keeps not letting me. I'm messing with my own system. Yeah. This ain't gonna work if I can't connect to this. Not sure. I've never had this issue quite before. Yeah. Oh, let's close this. Even though I typed that for the third time. All right. Kill that connection. Open up VS Code. I gotta kill all my connections. They're all broken. Any more? Okay. New window. Okay, so just open up this one. Yeah. Now let me try rebooting that server. I don't know why it's should be up. Oh, it's out of memory. Oh. Is that disk space? gigs of memory. Guessing it's memory. Okay, let's redo this. And this machine has plenty of RAM. So let's give this guy 16. God, I would have never thought that was why. Well, maybe VS Code uses a little bit of RAM. It's booting. Alright. That looks better. Here's my main project. Let's go ahead and open up in my projects. We'll go ahead and open up Printint. Okay, now we should be cooking. Okay. Got my global function, so it's defined. So this is 32-bit is what this one is for. So we're going to push EBP, move EBP ESP, pop EBP, return. Alright, so we're going to call printf with respect to PLT. That should work. So push EAX. So that is our second argument. Go ahead and load into EAX. Printint format. And I should be able to call printf. Want to save EAX. I can close my VM over here. My terminal open. And then we gotta pop EAX. Yeah, so it's complaining that it's redefined because I'm actually going to write the function that goes here. So let's just comment that out. And we have to tell it that printf is not in here. It's defined somewhere else. Okay, so now we can move to EAX some number. Call our print function. I like to do make clean, and then if that's successful, make, and if that's successful, dot slash printint. And we gotta correct our stack. So add ESP4. Oh, I need to push my printf format. So I have 4 for this argument and 4 for this argument. And let's put a new line in. which is ASCII character 10. There we go. I mean, it might be nicer if we do a non-hex number. There you go. So that should, yeah, I think that works. Although we did get, so relocation and read-only text. Wonder which thing is doing that for us. Don't have anything in. All right, let's just comment all these out. Make sure it's not that. So it must be our format string. I should have rel on, so that should. I don't think it's that. Nope. Well, let's go see. Nasm. Should be using relative addressing. No, let's reverse engineer it. Main function. Oh, let's see. So let's call printf with %d. Sure, the number 42. Standard IO. So GCC print.c. And using my handy dandy tool. Oh, did I not make that? Oh, gotta make it executable. So that should make me be able to execute it. Oh, and then I need to compile that. Minus M32. So it's getting the PC Thunk AX, so it's getting the address And then computing the offset. Offset's based on EAX. EAX gets its value from it's getting the text address. So NASM, how do we do that? That's not helpful. Well, let's see. There's a warning we get. Relocation. That seems to be our error. NASM string. I'd like to make a pie program. PIE. Position independent executable. I'd like to make one of those. I mean, I don't want 64-bit because I already have that. Maybe? No. I think it's text. Maybe. Oh. So this is older code. That's for a segment, but I don't think that's what we want. Can I use the GOT? The global offset table. Will it let me do that? Not sure. And of course, yeah, that's not defined. Yep, not defined. Hey, there we go. Oh, and then it failed. Did I change something else? Nope. Well, let's see. Let's debug it. break print and run. And it feels like that gives me an offset. And I don't, unless I do this. Seems like a bad idea. Yeah. That doesn't seem like the normal way you should do it. Oh. Firm symbol will end up giving us the distance between the current section. I mean, the C code that we saw is basically doing that. Seems like that's, I mean, I guess if it's a lot of work, it's a lot of work, but. So if that gives us the offset, will that give us the global offset? Base address, or I guess what are they? So it's the same question. Let's look. Okay. Not helpful. Just need one example and then should be able to go from there. Oh, I mean, I guess we could do got. No, yeah, I gotta get rid of that. That's bad. And it doesn't like that either. Unless this needs to be LEA. Global symbol for this reference. It feels like PLT is. No. Oh, let's see, sim. So maybe it's in the symbol table. No. Nope. See, if I don't have this line, I think it doesn't complain. It also won't work because there's nothing in there. Yeah, so I'm trying to. So I can run my program and I can make it here. But I'm trying to get rid of the warning about the read-only section text. So this is 32-bit assembly on a 64-bit machine using a modern version of Ubuntu. So what I'd like to be able to do is I want to get a relative counter for that. We have, so in a C program that just calls this, it makes use of this call to get into EAX, the value of the base address of this. It's then adding an offset to it. I mean, so you got two different offsets. I think one is where the text segment is, and the other one is where the offset of the relative, that piece of code is. And so what we're trying to do is grab the address without necessarily using this piece here. It might still get generated, but I'm just trying to write assembly where we use that. So I thought the rel keyword should do that. I mean, maybe I need to do it here, but I don't think it'll get rid of our warning. Yeah, that's probably a 64-bit value. It's just probably why it's not doing it. I guess I could say D word. No, it still doesn't. I doubt LEA will do it either. Yeah, I'll move. So relocation. you guys have any thoughts, you can let me know. Referring to a symbol making glow. Move EVX. Yeah. Well, let's debug it and see. Oh. Yeah, I mean, that's giving me... This is giving me an address, which is... Yeah, there is a flag no pi, but I want a pi. Yeah, I can get rid of the warning. That wasn't really... Like, that's not quite what I was looking for. Yeah, I can do minus no pi, which is a solution. If I can spell right. There we go. And then, so yeah, that should be right. Yeah, that's the thing. But I want a pi. That was the goal. So, given that we know this is an option, that's fine. But I'd like to see if we can make a pi, because I think it's possible. We'll put a comment here. Yeah, because if we figure it out this time, then we can use it every other time that we want to do anything. I mean, it could be the PLT. Non-PC relative. I think this one doesn't work. Nope. Let's look at section 8.2. All right. I mean, okay, so the global offset table should have offsets in it. So this might be the solution here. So I should add a rule. Like, the only reason I do it is because I don't I want to make sure everything is fresh. Like, it doesn't really matter. You should be able to do make, but I like removing it. I guess it's a choice. Okay, let's try this one. So that seems okay. Like, this is what I was trying to do earlier, but I was hoping I didn't have to do it. I mean, if we have to do a macro, we have to do a macro. Not my favorite thing. I think I need these. So we're doing elf. Hey, look at that now. Does it work? Nope. Because I need to use. I didn't use it appropriately, but I didn't get any warnings, so that was good. So let's try this. So that's my bar. This looks ugly. Comment this out. Okay. So I guess that's the way to do it. I think the macro is fine. Not sure where I put macros. Not really a macro kind of person. Okay, so so if we do that, oh, I need the end macro. Having got the got, you can then obtain the addresses of your data items variables. Got offset. So the offset is the offset within the global offset table. So our macro code. So I think I can say just get got. I think is our macro should be expanded, and then I can say EBX, which has that got print int with respect to global offset. Yeah, that is less clean. I mean, it's 32-bit on a 64-bit machine, so we're gonna have some expectations that it's gonna suck, but oh well. But if we do that, we can take this and we could put it in our IO library, and we can make our print int function there, which was the whole point of this. And then we can copy that my printInt function. Go ahead and export it. Yeah, I don't know which is worse, but I'll put this in there as well. Say that that's external. Probably need extern for printf. Yup. And so now I can change global to extern. Oh, gotta move my format. Oh, I want that in the data. And, oh, I need a text segment. Boom. Just wrote it. So your rule, are you saying that I should have a rule here called this just depends on let's look it up. Make file, clean, and build. I mean, actually, that's like not the point of a make file. Like you're supposed to reuse it all, but yeah, so I could do this. Make, clean, make. Yeah, oh gosh, that would make, clean, make all. That might be better. Maybe. Nope. It did not like that. Maybe it did. I guess it did. That's... I wish it were not quite so verbose. Oh well. Yeah, I like mine. By the way, if you want to rebuild everything, there's a -b for... So if I just... Okay. Make -b. If I can type B. Well, hey, that's nice. Thank you, Tepu. I don't know how to say your name. That is Tepu Masata Sanyo. I'm from Nebraska, so I'm not quite used to some of those names. All right, so we did get a printInt. And just as easily, we could do print hex, because it's basically the same. And again, these are internal functions, so I'm not making them to sort of stick out. Tepu, all right. Tepu, Tepu. One of the two. Alright, so let's do print hex format. And we're in, I like uppercase hex. I want zeros leading it. So this will be a 32-bit one. Alright. So here we got print hex format. And actually in my functions, we should do push EBX because it's gonna get sort of trashed. And then we got to do it in the same order. Pop EBX. Same thing here. Because we're trashing it with our getGot command. So alright, so I got print hex format, call my printf. Should be the same. I need to expose it as global. I like to indent these types of things. Global print hex. And then in here, I could say move EAX. We'll give it some leading zeros just because. I gotta declare that as external. Use my newly learned make -b. There we go. All right, well, got a couple functions run, and we didn't get any warnings, and we didn't have to do non-pi or program independent executable. So I feel like that's a win. All right. Well, thanks for chatting, guys, and we'll keep on streaming. I'll probably do another one. We'll probably do another one Monday. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining.